Hey, it's Tim. Today we got a Acura Tsx 08. Got it towed here. Said it was skipping and sputtering. Check engine light on. Let's see what's going on with it. We got cylinder 2 misfire. Alright, well, let's deduct this and change the cylinder 2 coil to cylinder 1 and see if we get a cylinder 1 misfire. This is cylinder 2. I'll go ahead and pull it out. Pull out cylinder 1. We'll unhook them. So we're 2 out. Alright, we'll switch cylinder 1 with 2. We'll bolt down 2 because it's probably gonna be alright. Okay, if it doesn't come back with a cylinder 1, then we'll have to look at the plug or the injector. So let's walk over here. Crank it up. I'm gonna clear it out the code. Make sure you clear it out so it still ain't in there. So you'll have a new one. Alright. And you want it to make the code. Alright, now the light's flashing, then you know it's picked up another code, and when it flashes, you know it's going to be a misfire. And cylinder 1. So now we know, we have confirmed that it is the coil. So let's go get one. Alright, I got the new one delivered from O'Reilly's. It will be two 30567. I've already pushed it in here, but pretty much all you do is of course just repeat and take it out, just plug it up, put your new one in, put your bolt on it, come over here, right here. Up. And we'll put everything else back together here in a second. Let's crank it up, see how she runs. That sounds like a brand new one. Sounds like a brand new one. All right, another one done at Tim's Auto. Yeah, come on. Thanks for watching.